have a 3D print fail. Here's how I fix that. Start by cutting off the failed parts. Never mind, cut off all that weak stuff and print them with more infill. See how it doesn't line up good? Nothing a little sanding can't fix. Might as well sand the rest now. Much better. Now tack them together with a soldering iron. This isn't how the file was designed, but I felt like making this port connect for more support. The new pieces are still a little flimsy, so grab some wire and we'll give that print some reinforcement. No fancy tools required, just some pliers and a typical soldering iron. Use the heat to melt it into the plastic. Once it's in there, sandwich that badwa with some leftover plastic. As you can see, even better than if it was printed all at once. Won't be breaking anytime soon. Ready for my next upgrade.